Okay, today I was working on a Frigidaire refrigerator. Customer was complaining that this user interface was not lighting up and the door inside, or the lights inside, would not come on. So basically, I took this assembly down by taking out some screws that are underneath here and pulling it down. As soon as I did that, everything came on. And so there's a magnet in here, and let's see, this is the reed switch that activates this. Okay, and this switch sits on the door right here. So hopefully that'll help some of you guys out later.